Alright, hello guys, and my name is Dennis, and today is the third day of driving Tesla every day for 30 days. Yeah, sounds too much, but yes, and today is a rainy day, but anyway, I still have to go to work and do the job. And let's drive with me. Let me see how this police officer is going from the parking lot. Like he's the only one here driving to New York. And today is gonna be a short trip. It's gonna take me only like few miles. And like always, I'm gonna go on the Bell Parkway and I'm gonna turn on the autopilot. Ooh, what he's doing. Yeah. Oh, come on. Hold on. Okay. Wow, what he's doing. BMW. He wants to be the first one. The BMW drivers always do some shit. I don't know why. But it's like always. When you see the BMW, it's gonna be always some shit. That's the life. And yeah, you can see right now how the Tesla wipers work. But for some reason they didn't clean right now. I don't know why. Let me press to clean it. Okay. Now it's a little bit better visibility. Yeah, the weather sucks in New York. Yesterday there was cool weather, sunny, warm. But today, again, it's 55 Fahrenheit, it's rain, it's a cloudy day. This day I just want to be in my bed and sleep. And of course it's a little bit traffic in the Bell Parkway. We're going great, but I don't know, 38 miles per hour. But the speed limit is 50 here. I don't know, still some traffic. But it could be worse. Alright, so I'm gonna turn off the autopilot right now because I gotta take the exit. And I'm gonna take this exit. And actually here in New York City, in Brooklyn, there's a lot of the speed cameras here, everywhere. Okay, there's the one camera here, over there on top. The speed limit is 25. You can go like up to 30 miles. If you're gonna go more than 30 miles, you're gonna get a ticket by mail. And the ticket is gonna cost you $50. And this guy didn't look on the light. If you don't want to look on the light, you just want to walk, why not? We have to go on the green light. Yes, the people crazy here. They don't want to watch. They don't want to watch where they go. They just go. That's it. And over here also was the camera, but I'm going like in the normal speed. What's the fuel right now? Fuel 509 in New York City. Not that bad, I think, but I don't care because I'm an EV and I use electricity. That's a huge bonus right now. So driving EV, that's because you don't want to pay for the gas. I mean, you don't want to pay and you don't have to pay for the gas. And actually here in our area, it's a lot of storages here. Like in my area, there was few storages. Over here, storage, a lot of storages. Let me check the price in the mobile for the gas. $5.59 super. Wow, that's too much. $4.99 for the regular. $5 regular gas. Wow. Crazy. And over there is gonna be another speed camera. Like you see, we're driving like 5 minutes. I'm already like on 3 or 4 speed cameras. Like over there, it's a speed camera. Another one. That's because here the school. I don't know, the school, I think it's on the next block. But anyway, it is what it is. And actually the visibility is bad right now, but the Tesla wipers decided to not light my glass. Strange. And over here is the school, I believe, but in this area there is no speed cameras. Strange, right? I don't know. Okay, and now I'm at my destination. Let me park here. Okay, what are you doing, TLC? And you, what the fuck are you doing? Okay guys, thank you for watching this short video. Subscribe to my channel please, and I'm gonna post this video today, and tomorrow I'm gonna post another one, and I'm gonna do that for the 30 days. And today is the third day of 30 days. Let's say like that. All right, thank you. Have a great day. Thank you guys. Bye bye.